So hi guys, this is AJ Prince. I'm here to showcase how you can use the function analogWrite to control the brightness of an LED through the serial monitor. So let's get right into the code. So here in our code, I made my LED pin 11 because it's a PWM button, PWM pin, and we use PWM pins because it takes analog inputs. So here in the void setup, the pin is set, the LED is set to an output, and the serial monitor is initialized. And the message which reads enter brightness level from 0 to 255 is printed onto the serial monitor because that's the range in which the analogWrite works. So now in the void loop, a condition is set that if the input is greater than 0, either a string or an integer, the serial monitor should accept this until the next line and the input is being trimmed, and the brightness can also be adjusted using this. So assuming I enter integers, it works, and a string, it also works. So it says if the brightness is greater than or equal to 0 and the brightness is less than or equal to 255, which is the range I set aside, the analogWrite function should initiate brightness, and the brightness level should be printed onto the serial monitor. Else, I should be given a message, sorry, invalid input. So now let's go and see how this works. So looking at our setup, I placed an LED here and placed a resistor at the negative terminal of the LED and placed it in ground, and I placed the wire at the positive terminal and connected it to, you can see here in my code I made it pin 11, right, and connected the blue jumper wire to ground and the red jumper wire to the 5 volts, you understand? So giving power to our circuit. So now let's go into how it works. So as you can see here, when I input, let's say 70 in the serial monitor, our LED flashes on. So, and in my code I made a function that converts strings into integers. So let me go ahead and let me type 0. You can see that after typing 0, the LED goes off. So this is the basic functionality of the program above.